Ooh, have some grass. Ooh, that's yummy. Yeah, and how about Barg Rock? Ooh, that tastes good. Oh, we're sharing. That's good. Good girl. How about you, Cindy Floppers? Whoa, scared me. Ooh, both of them. How about you? All there is left is this one. Never mind. Oh, I feel bad for this little girl. She got no grass. Do you want some grass? Or did you get grass? Holy moly. Hey, does everybody want this sack of chicken? Oh, they're loving this. Aw, is that some good meal, everybody? That little girl looks left alone.